price starting to play out, the sellers start taking price down, and right away, the bulls reclaim the 5-day moving average. They take price above, and you can see the algorithms at play. There's the magenta algorithm, which was acting as support for the first 36 minutes. Price broke below for about 10 minutes, but the bulls reclaimed that magenta as support. So that's clue number one. The reclamation of price above that magenta level as support is clue number one. The teal algorithm, once the bulls broke out of the teal algorithm, that was clue number two. And if you remember the setups that Eric provided for us, you'll see how important that teal algorithm is. I'm going to take it back. And here's the setup he drew out. Penny perfect with the algorithms, just as a professional would prepare for. Let the trade come to you. You don't have to guess a direction. You wait to see what price is going to do. You wait to see who has the ball. Do the bears have the ball or do the bulls have the ball? Here's the setup. Here's the teal algorithm. You could clearly see that the bulls reclaimed magenta and took price above that teal algorithm, just as he drew out. Penny perfect, the algorithm. There's your entry. You have a beautiful entry to go long. You know how important the teal algorithm is. You could set your stop loss below the teal algorithm. So you have a very tight stop loss and you have a huge risk to reward trade. This is how you prepare for a trade, and this is how you don't have to risk a lot of capital when you do take a trade. And for the rest of the day, I'm going to show you how price respected that magenta algorithm. Price never went below that magenta algorithm, so there was no reason to sell. There was no reason to look for a short, as sellers did not present themselves. There was no sellers on Friday. Price just continued to climb up all the way through the end of the day until the last, maybe the last 5 or 10 minutes. And that's Friday in a nutshell, how we prepare for a trade, how we first identify the context, then we look for structure, then we look for continuation. This week will be very interesting. If the Supreme Court decides to give their opinion, they say it's going to be on Wednesday. That possibly will be a huge catalyst day. If the decision is against Trump's tariffs, they will have to refund the companies all this billions of dollars that they've collected, the government has collected, and the market will react negatively. And on the flip side, if they say that his tariffs are allowed or constitutional, that he did nothing wrong, the market will react favorably. So we'll see. Looking forward to this trading week, there's going to be a lot of volatility.